What happens if I use a really tough tape, one of these really strong tapes? Well, even though I've got a heavier dish and I still have my 500 gram weight, we have a problem. I can't measure it. We measure adhesion as force per unit width, so with a narrower bit of tape I can measure this strong adhesion. But you'll also notice something strange about this sort of tape. So I pull, and there I've got 500, 600, very good, 700, but it can suddenly give. And then we can start again, 600, 700, really good, 800 almost, yes, we're doing well. So that's quite a strong tape, but with that problem of giving. And I'll show that in a moment. As I said, this sort of tape has a problem, and the problem is that if I go very fast, there's no adhesion at all. There's another problem with these tapes. If they stick so well to everything, how do you release the tape from the roll? The answer is you have to have defects built into the back of the tape. And as you can see, there are little holes, patterned holes in the back of this tape, and that reduces the adhesion because of cracks between the tape and the back of the tape. Everyone knows that nothing sticks to PTFE, to Teflon. Well, I have our best frying pan. Please don't tell my wife that I'm using it. And the same tape, which gave about 300 grams on a plate, gives minus 60, minus 70, minus 80. Minus 80, not bad. And if I take the really strong tape, then I can lift the whole frying pan, no problem. These tapes have a reputation for being able to stick to anything, and they will certainly stick if they are wet. So I'm adding some water to this already stuck tape, and although it's covered with water, it still sticks okay. That's not the same if I actually add some water before I stick it. Now some fresh tape, put it on, and no matter how hard I try, there is no adhesion, even though it stays stuck when wet. There's one more trick though that I need to show. There's a famous advert that seems to imply that these tapes can stick when wet. We know that's not true, so let's have a go at the advert. We have a gushing stream of water, slap on the tape, and it's fixed.